We're taking a closer look at why the state is prioritizing certain medical conditions for the COVID vaccine. 2 million more people in Wisconsin become eligible on March 29th. CBS 58's Rose Schmidt live at the Wisconsin Center for us with an updated timeline on eligibility for the general public. Hey, Rose.
Hey, Jessup. Governor Tony Evers says all adults in Wisconsin will be eligible for the vaccine by May 1st. But if you have certain medical conditions like cancer or obesity, you're eligible even sooner. Barbara Pepping counts it a blessing to be an 8-year survivor of pancreatic cancer.
I do have a sister that passed away from it and 2 first cousins, so it's kind of a familial thing.
She wants to stay healthy, so she believes it's important to get the COVID-19 vaccine.
You know, if my system's a little bit immunosuppressed, it's going to give it a little boost and kick it in and make it work better. And I think that that's a bonus.
Cancer is one of more than a dozen medical conditions being prioritized in Wisconsin starting March 29th.
You know, the more of those risk factors that you collect as a person, the more your risk goes up.
The list also includes several heart and lung conditions, pregnancy, and obesity. State data shows 67% of Wisconsin adults are overweight or obese.
It does make sense to include some measure of obesity as we think about who we should vaccinate, because it's clear that those folks who are obese don't do as well if they get COVID-19.
UW Health Chief Quality Officer Dr. Jeff Pothoff says the higher your body mass index, the higher the risk. A BMI of 25 or above qualifies you for the shot.
And I think if people actually calculated their BMI, they would be somewhat surprised that they may fall into the overweight or obese category when they don't really think of themselves, their friends don't think of them as being obese.
In November, the Milwaukee County Medical Examiner's Office did an analysis of its COVID-19 deaths. They found that diabetes and hypertension were the 2 most common conditions found among those deaths. They are both on the list. Reporting live from the Wisconsin Center, Rose Schmidt, CBS 58 News.